Hello everyone, welcome to another set of video. Your hair and make it in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap in between, pull it upwards, then divide the remaining hair into two parts, do clean platings of that part of the hair, give it a fluffy look carefully, repeat it with another set of hair, roll it upwards like this, secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, make a half ponytail out of it, then repeat the same process with the lower part of your hair, making it look like a layer. Then pass one layer through the gaps of another. Take the remaining hair, do clean platings of that hair using your fingers carefully. Then secure the lower end of the hair with a rubber band. Give it a fluffy look as well, roll it upwards and secure it with a bobby pin. Make a half ponytail out of your hair carefully. Then divide the remaining hair into two parts. Take your fingers and divide it in another three parts, making it look like plait. Do clean plait. You can give it a fluffy look as per your wish. Then repeat the same process with another part of your hair. Pass one part through the gaps of another from the upper part. Secure the remaining part with a rubber band. Take your hair and divide it in two, making it a half ponytail. Then take the remaining part, divide it in two, and then secure it with a rubber band. Then make clean plaits out of both parts of your hair. Crisscross it and secure it properly with the upper part, passing it through the gaps in between. Take the remaining part, secure it, pull it up, and ta-da, you're good to go. Take your hair and secure it with a rubber band, making it a half ponytail. Take the rest of the part, secure it properly again with the rubber band. Make a gap and pass the lower part through the upper one, making it look like this. See how beautiful it looks. Make plaits out of the lower part of your hair and pass it upwards just like this. Secure it properly. Make a half ponytail out of your hair, secure it properly with a rubber band again, make a gap, pass it through that gap and roll it upwards. Then divide your hair into two parts, do clean platings of those two parts carefully. Pull out more strands of the hair, giving it a more fluffy look just like this. Repeat the same process with the next part as well. Roll one part upwards and the other consecutively and you're good to go. Take your hair loose, divide it in three parts, take two parts and do simple plaits out of that parts and roll it upwards to make it look like a circle, securing it with a bobby pin. Take another part and roll it behind those circles and then secure it properly with a bobby pin. Take your hair, make a half ponytail out of it, pass it through the gap upwards, take the rest of the hair, secure it with a rubber band properly. Take one end of the hair and secure it with rubber band, exactly repeating the same with all the three parts. Pass it through the gaps in between, roll it upwards, and yeah, you're good to go.